phone will probably display that it's like just 5 or something. So yeah, the time zones have changed. I'm not even close to North Korea, but like I'm still on an airplane, so I'll make it there eventually. So yeah, it's currently nighttime. My sister is like, she's asleep. My mom is tired as hell. And I'm still standing. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not really tired at all. We gotta step up. I'm watching a movie right now. As you can see, there's a remote.
Can I borrow your blanket?
Oh yeah, sure. Sorry, my mom's borrowing my blanket right now. So there's so cool because you can also do some gaming on this. It has a gaming option. Cool. Maybe just press this. I'm gonna eat some salad. As you can see, I've already finished most of my dinner. So let me do a quick recap on my dinner. So there was a bagel with butter and cheese to put on it. There was water. I got an extra one for my mom and another cup, which I absolutely demolished. There was some Coca-Cola. Oh, there it is. I'm not going to show you the calories yet, because there's a surprise in the calories. I'll just keep it like that. There was the main course, which consisted of I think it was beef. Sorry guys, let me just remember real quick. Hey Mom, do you know what was my main course?
It was beef, dry, and mashed potato and beans.
And beans?
Yeah.
Oh, well, yeah. So it was beef with sauce, green beans, not from Grow a Garden, by the way, and mashed potatoes. I have this salad that I'm finishing, and I have this blueberry cake that I haven't touched yet. Some utensil. I don't know where the other utensils are. But yeah. This was just a little update.